I'm about to do the illest trick in the world. Watch this. Ready? Oh, my bad. Watch out, man. That's what I thought. You know what? I'm gonna try something different.
Not too far.
Ooh. Ready for this? Don't ever try this at home.
You are home.
Well, don't try that at home if you're younger than 10 and you're not determined.